Gardening follows the seasons, but plants don't wait when they're hungry. Traditional composting is slow. Months can pass before it's ready, while your plants need nutrients now. The long wait means missing the critical moment when plants need a boost, risking stunted growth and poor harvests. Hot composting also burns off valuable nutrients as gases, leaving you with less than you started. We need a faster, more efficient way to feed our gardens, one that preserves the full vitality of our green waste. Imagine turning fresh weeds or clippings into a potent living tonic in weeks, not months. This is possible by shifting from slow decay to rapid life-giving fermentation. Fermentation captures nutrients before they're lost, delivering them directly to your plants when they need it most. It's time to rethink how we recycle garden waste. Speed and efficiency can transform your harvest. Don't let your plants wait for compost. Let's unlock a faster, smarter way to feed your soil. Fermentation is an ancient method, used for centuries to preserve food and now to supercharge your garden. By submerging green material in water, we create an oxygen-free environment where beneficial microbes thrive. Unlike composting, fermentation preserves nearly all nutrients: nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and trace minerals. The result is a living, probiotic-rich liquid that feeds both plants and soil life. This technique, rooted in Korean natural farming, transforms fresh plant energy into a powerful storable fertilizer. Use soft, lush greens like comfrey, nettles, borage or grass clippings. Avoid woody or diseased material. The softer the greens, the faster the fermentation. In just weeks, you'll have a nutrient-dense liquid ready to boost your garden. Fermentation is about harnessing nature's speed and vitality. Let's see how easy it is to make your own. Making fermented plant fertilizer is simple. You'll need a bucket with a loose lid, fresh green material, water, rainwater is best, and a bit of brown sugar or molasses. Chop your greens, fill the bucket 2/3 full, and add a tablespoon of sugar per 4 to 5 litres of water. Dissolve the sugar in warm water, pour it in, and add enough water to submerge the greens. Weigh down the plant matter with a plate or stone to keep it under water. Cover loosely. Gases need to escape. Within days, you'll notice a sweet, tangy smell and gentle bubbling. The liquid will darken as nutrients are extracted. Swirl gently every few days to keep things mixed. In about 3 weeks, your fertilizer will be ready. It's a low-effort, high-reward process. After 3 weeks, strain the dark, tangy liquid into a clean container. Squeeze out every drop from the plant solids. This is your concentrated fertilizer. Store the liquid in sealed bottles, away from sunlight. The leftover pulp can go on your compost or as mulch around robust plants. Always dilute before use. Start with 1 part fertilizer to 20 parts water. For sensitive plants, dilute further. For heavy feeders, a bit stronger is fine. Apply the diluted mix directly to the soil around your plants. It's perfect for containers and raised beds where nutrients run out fast. You'll see results quickly: greener leaves, more flowers, and better harvests. This is efficient, targeted feeding at its best. Pair your liquid feed with organic mulch for a powerful 1-2 punch. Mulch protects and feeds soil slowly. Fermented fertilizer delivers fast nutrients and microbes. Always keep plant matter submerged to avoid rot, and use clean containers. If it smells foul, discard and start fresh. Used correctly, This method revives yellowing plants in days and boosts fruiting. You're closing the nutrient loop, turning waste into abundance in just weeks. Fermentation mimics nature's rapid nutrient cycling, preserving more goodness than composting. You're not just feeding plants, you're building living, resilient soil. Fast, simple and sustainable, this is garden gold made at home.